Hey guys, welcome back to another video of D-I-Wyatt. So today we're going to make Venom's head. Actually, it's going to be a helmet, but it's going to be pretty cool. So stay tuned until the end of the video, but before we get started, make sure to like down below and subscribe so you can see more of my videos when they come out. So let's get started right off. This is going to be made out of cardboard as a base, the helmet's going to be made out of cardboard, and then we're going to start from there and paint it and make some teeth, and yeah. So for the helmet, I am using Mellow Mind's basic helmet template from Etsy. This was $5.21 and it actually turned out very good. So the first thing we're gonna do is buy it, download the templates, and then we're gonna print it out and transfer it to paper. After we print it out, then we're gonna cut it out, trace it onto cardboard, cut that cardboard out, and then glue it together. Yeah, kind of a lot. Anyway, so this is actually really good. I recommend buying this. The only problem with it is that it was kind of weird. It like split onto two pages. So I had to tape part of it together just to cut it out, which was kind of weird. I mean, it'd be better if it was on one page, but I get it. It's hard to make templates. So, also another thing is that it comes with additional templates to make add-ons to the helmet. So right now, this helmet kind of looks like there's a lot of things you can do with this helmet. Like, for example, you can make this like a crash course, like a crash dummy helmet if you wanted to do that for Halloween or something. That'd be pretty cool. It also has add-ons to make it look kind of like Fennec Shand, so that's what you could do. And yeah, so yeah, also this is made for foam, but hopefully it's for cardboard. Yeah, but it's really good actually, and it comes with like a whole paper on how to tell you what the instructions are, like what different signs mean. It's great, and yeah. Hopefully it works on cardboard. We're going to see. Let's get to it. These templates were absolutely great. They had how to put it together. They had different markings for a guide to different markings for what the different markings mean. It was just absolutely great, and I recommend buying this and supporting Mellow Mind cosplay. So do it. First, I correctly taped all the templates together by cutting off the sides and then just doing one long strip of tape. You'll get it, and then I cut them all out and put them in cardboard. So they're all cut out, and now we're gonna glue it together. And yeah, try not to use too much tape on the outside, only on the inside, and hot glue all this. And let's get to it. So the helmet does work for cardboard. Okay, so the base of the Venom helmet is done. Now, if you were to make a crash course, or if you were to make a crash dummy helmet and just spray paint it yellow, this would actually be perfect. This is actually really cool, and just spray paint it yellow and decorate it, and yeah. But we're going for Venom here, so what we're gonna do next is now we're gonna lead to our next part, and we're gonna spackle it. Now I'm using Drydex for this. I got this really cool Drydex spackle where it's pink, so you lather it on pink, and then when it turns white, you know that it's completely finished, and then you sand it down. And yeah, and we're gonna do that tomorrow and sand it. We're gonna coat it all basically, all the seams, all the tape, everything. And then we're gonna sand it all down to where it's perfectly smooth, and then we'll get to the next part. Now I'm gonna go to bed. After that was done, I sanded it all down, and then I cut eyes for some eyes out in the shape of his eyes, and then finally I just glued all over the helmet and made like little strings of hot glue, which is like kind of what he has, little strings. And it probably took about 10 sticks of hot glue. It was a lot. But when it's done, it'll give you this nice look, this nice like veiny look. After that was done, I took up these big pieces of hot glue sticks, cut them at an angle, and I glued them into the mouth that I also cut when I cut the teeth, or when I cut the eyes, and I used them for the teeth. I also put a little bit of more hot glue in the nose and chin area to make it look like he's got a chin and a nose, and yeah. It's now time to spray paint it all a glossy black. Make sure it is glossy and always wear a respirator. And yeah, respirators are probably about 25 bucks on Amazon, so I recommend it, or just wear a mask. And use glossy spray paint, because if you use matte, it just will not look good, because Venom always looks wet and glossy. Venom's also got gums around his teeth, so for that I'm just going to take some brown and red and just mix them together a little bit and paint it on. Maybe a little black too. Just make the color that I want and just paint it all around the tips of the mouth, and it should look really good. Also, do this before you put the teeth in so you don't risk getting paint in the teeth. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos when they come out. Wow. So, once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Just like and subscribe if you didn't, too. And, yeah, it was actually fairly easy to make. It only took about a day. So if you want to make it, it'd be perfect for Halloween or something like that. And I recommend you do. It was really fun, and it turned out into an awesome project. Overall, it cost about maybe 10 bucks, but that's it. So that's it, and see you guys later. Make sure to like and subscribe.